Imagine boarding a plane, settling into your seat, and then floating through the rest of your journey as if you were on a cloud. No stress, no discomfort, just calm, easy travel. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Welcome to the world of travel hacks. Little tips and tricks that can transform your flying experience from a chore into a pleasure. First on our list is a game changer. Pack a power strip. Outlets are scarce in airports and even on planes. Bringing a power strip ensures you can charge all your devices at once, eliminating the need to choose between a dead phone or a dead laptop. Second, consider using a night flight. The airports are less crowded, the queues are shorter, and you're more likely to get a good night's sleep during the flight. Plus, you'll save a day of vacation time. Third, pack a tennis ball in your carry-on. It might sound strange, but a tennis ball can be used to relieve muscle tension during long flights. Just place it between your back and the seat and roll it around to give yourself a mini massage. Fourth, bring your own snacks. Airplane food is notoriously bland and airport food is notoriously expensive. Pack some healthy and satisfying snacks and you'll never have to suffer through a subpar meal again. Fifth, take advantage of the airline's mobile apps. These apps often provide real-time updates on flight status, gate changes, and even where your luggage is. The sixth hack is to wear compression socks. They help prevent deep vein thrombosis and reduce swelling in your legs, making your flight more comfortable. Seventh, always pack a change of clothes in your carry-on. In case your checked luggage gets lost or delayed, you'll have a fresh set of clothes to change into. Our eighth hack is to always take a picture of your parking spot at the airport. After a long flight, the last thing you want to do is forget where you parked your car. Ninth, bring a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial during air travel, but bottled water at airports can be expensive. Fill up your bottle after passing through security to save money and stay hydrated. Last but not least, the 10th travel hack is to always carry a pen. You never know when you'll need to fill out an immigration form or jot down important information. In summary, these 10 hacks, packing a power strip, using a night flight, carrying a tennis ball, bringing your snacks, utilizing airline mobile apps, wearing compression socks, packing a change of clothes in your carry-on, taking a picture of your parking spot, bringing a reusable water bottle, and carrying a pen, can all significantly enhance your air travel experience. They can save you time, money, and stress, making your journey smoother and more enjoyable. So next time you're preparing for a flight, remember these tips and get ready to fly high with ease.